Hey everyone, welcome back. Shiba Inu is going to see a 36% ascent, which is going to be pretty awesome. Shiba Inu's near-term outlook is looking more favorable as it attempts to extend its rally to higher levels. A buy trade was available on lesser time frame, but entry and exit points needed to be precise to be mitigating make the parish target. So be sure to smash that like button. I'll explain what this actually means. A clear uptrend can be spotted on Shiba Inu's lesser time frame once its price action is isolated from 24 February. A chain from higher highs and higher lows were in motion. SHIB was staggering a new high and a new low. But what's up next for Shiba Inu? Since the majority of indicators used present a favorable argument, placing a buy order of Shiba Inu could be fruitful over the coming season. People are saying that Shiba Inu is going to be growing again. Risk must be managed through the tight stop loss since bearish threats were also visible. Now, Bitcoin lost 40K as Bitcoin price support levels give away to 1 week lows. The range is still very much on Bitcoin price action, which saw similar rejection from the 45,000 region this week. And what we got got back down. Upper range support level crumbles for Bitcoin, which basically means Shiba Inu is not going to do well anytime soon unless Bitcoin recovers. Bitcoin is heading onto the edge of a cliff for the past few hours, and that is definitely terrible news. In a market update released Friday, Philip, co-founder of trading suit Decenter Trader, has highlighted 36,000 as a potential target for shorts should the area around 40,000 fail to hold. So maybe we're going to be seeing Bitcoin at 36,000, something which ultimately proved to do so. Bitcoin, he said, was still range-bound on a macro level, but support was a rising tide. Among these were 200-week moving average MA, now above 220,000 rising, which should provide a definite support as macro markets experience something similar to the March 20 or a crash in terms of sentiment. Systematic risk in the market is high. As a result, volatility should be expected at trade size, and the duration should be considered with this in mind. Short-term panic. Everyone is panicking right now. We need to stay strong. People are having some so-called short-term panic where they're afraid, where they don't know what's going to happen next. At this stage, we're seeing that Bitcoin is dropping down significantly. Why is that? That's because of short-term panic and asset down to the events of March 2020. Both Bitcoin and altcoins should be for resistance as usage increases. Van de Poppe added, this is the beginning of Bitcoin before expanding into DeFi assets. So this is going to be really, really awesome. Bitcoin is going to be used way more, which means Shiba Inu is going to be used way more. But that being said, major altcoin tokens managed to avoid the extent of Bitcoin's losses on daily timeframes, broadly keeping those under 5%. So that being said, what happens next might be very shocking. But what's going to happen next with Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu's leash is going to spike with the Metaverse launching, with the Shiberse launching, with all that launching. We need to stay strong. We need to stay together. Be sure to smash that like button. I'll keep you updated.